Welcome back. We're going to take a look at Chainlink. Ta-da! Chainlink is number 25. Chainlink was once a top 10 coin and then became a top 15, top 20. Now it's top 25. It's getting kicked out of the top 25 unless Sergey does something. Sergey Nazarov. Let's take a quick look at Chainlink against BTC. Before I went missing for 6 months, I actually had a target here at 2100 and we hit the target. Ta-da! That's amazing, right? That is freaking amazing. I'm gonna put. Yeah, this is amazing. This shows that technical analysis works because we have targets. But of course, trading is very difficult, and you don't always get what you expect, right? We actually had another target over here at 1,300 satoshis, but I don't think we're gonna drop that low though. That will be a 90% drop against BTC. I don't think that's happening. We could still drop lower, but again, you need to have a good look at the skinny pink line, right? You can see that Chainlink has been attempting to break back up above the skinny pink line ever since breaking back down way back on the 5th of December 2020, which means that for almost 2 years, Chainlink has been trying to break back up above the skinny pink line. We did, but then we failed. I mean, not failed, but we got pulled back down, right? We broke up, we got pulled back down, and then we attempted again, we failed. There was strong resistance from the skinny pink line. Again, we broke back up, but hey, this is a fake break, fake breakout, and then we got pulled back down, and then now we're hitting the skinny pink line again. And are we gonna get pulled lower? Let's take a quick look. This looks to me like a rising channel, rising wedge, and rising channel, rising wedges usually break lower, more likely than not. And if you do break lower, then potentially this could be a head and shoulders in the making, and we could be heading lower. So yeah, things may not look that good for Chainlink against BTC for a while, right? The last time we had a head and shoulders was here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? Yeah. I don't know if you're going to be hitting 1,003. This is a target that we acquired on 9th of February 2022, right? Just before I went missing. And yeah, again, we're attempting to break back up above the resistance line though, right? This is a support line that was touched once, touched twice, touched 3 times, touched 4 times, break. And then we attempted to break back up above the resistance line once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Yeah, so Chainlink has been a coin that has never given up. Chainlink never gives up, and it continues to try to break back up above the skinny pink line. Maybe 6 times a charm. We eventually break back higher, but yeah, I don't see that happening soon. Not at this point of time. Things are just not really looking that good for Chainlink. But ooh, let me just show you something. Hey, let's put on our bullish lenses, right? If you put on your bullish lenses, then you will see that this is potentially a falling channel, right? You could see, I mean, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, this could be a wave 5 in the making, right? If a wave 5 hovers very close to the resistance, then hey, this could be a great breakout, right? This whole thing could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woohoo! And then we go on a bullish trend, which means that if that happens, we will be above the skinny pink line, right? So this would signify a bullish trend. But at the same time, we could also hit lower and complete wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could. But I highly doubt we're gonna hit 1,003. I don't think we're gonna drop that low though. I honestly don't think so. This is still another 63%. I don't know. So I could be wrong. We could hit that low. I can't see it at this point of time. For us to hit that low. But you never know, right? And you'll be wise to take things one step at a time. And so that's why whenever we put on trades, we have multiple targets, right? We don't just wait until the final target before we take profits. We have like 2 targets, and then once target 1 is hit, profits are off. A chunk of profits are off. And after that, if we hit target number 2, then we'll take off everything. But at this point of time, yeah, Chainlink BTC is a no-go in terms of trading because we're still not sure what the Chainlink whales are trying to do against BTC. There are several attempts that have already been made to flip the switch to bullish for Chainlink against BTC, but it's not working well so far, right? There are other cryptos that have flipped the switch, right? We've gone through it. If you've been watching my videos, you would know which coins I'm talking about. But Chainlink is not one of those, right? Link against USDT. Yeah, I think we're gonna head lower. It feels to me like this is a mountain range that's about to head lower, right? When things were happening right here, right, you could expect, right, when things were like that. So I was like, hey, maybe we could get a inverse head and shoulders over here, maybe, and then we break back higher, right? But again, if you look at the skinny pink line, we're still largely under it. So the bearish trend is still on for Chainlink against USDT. So it'll be wise to remain biased bearish. And so eventually, yeah, we started doing something like this, and you know, potentially, I think we could be heading towards sub $4. We're at $6 right now, sub $4. We actually have two targets though for Chainlink against USDT: $3.85, $3.47. And it's not well. It's not, you know, it's just not good, right? Chainlink is almost down 90%. 89% is a lot. It's a freaking lot. I'm just gonna call it 90%. 90% is a lot to have dropped. And yeah, I think we're heading towards sub $4. We may even hit to sub 350. Well, we should hit second target at $3.47. So yeah, this is a target that we acquired today, 21st of September. So time will only tell whether if we are right or wrong. So this could be a very long, drawn out fall for Chainlink against USDT. Anyway, everyone is moving in tandem. Every coin is moving in tandem with BTC. So as long as BTC continues dropping, everyone else is going to continue dropping as well. And then we will very likely be hitting targets for Chainlink. So watch out for that possibility of much more downsides for Chainlink against USDT. I am not really you know, I'm not really sure if we're going to be going past sub $3 into $2. I don't know. I can't say for sure. But yeah, Chainlink is just not really looking that good. Not at this point of time. And yeah, 0.618 is $2.38. I don't know if we're going to hit that low. But yeah, these are the two targets, two immediate targets that we have. And yeah, if anything, if the opportunity arises, the boys and I will be looking out for shorts for Chainlink, right? Because Chainlink's chart pattern is solid in the sense that, look at this descending triangle, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, collapse, right? We're getting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs again. We're expecting the next collapse to come towards sub $4. So stay safe. Don't rush into anything. Don't listen to the... Okay, I can say things like that. But, you know, imagine if you did DCAing, right? Dollar cost averaging, you know, if Chainlink was down, let's say $50, we fell down to $13. Hey, let's buy some Chainlink, right? At $13. Yeah, $13 became $10. $10 become $9 become $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, you know, and you'll be like, oh man, I should have waited. Yeah, you should have waited. But, you know, not everybody has the trading acumen, right, to read chart patterns. So that's why it's, you know, it's very dangerous to blindly listen to somebody. Even for me as well, you shouldn't be blindly listening to me because, you know, I could be wrong. And then yeah, the point is you need to acquire the skills for yourself to be able to read chart patterns, and yeah, that's very important for your financial health. All right, I guess that's it for my Chainlink technical analysis. Let's take a quick look at FTX next. See you. Ta-ta.